Good evening, everyone. It is June 23rd, 2017. We're doing a quick personal box break for Karen in the YouTube stream. She purchased a personal box of 2015-16 O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey. So, here it is. See if we can pull some really nice cards out of here for Karen. So yeah, guys, we only have 11 more promo breaks to go. We have 11 promo spots to go, I mean. So there is some promo breaks on the website. We just put up a new one. 2015-16 SPX Hockey. Connor McDavid rookie year. With Dylan Larkin, Jack Eichel, Artemi Panarin. And all the great rookie class of that year. It is $27.99 a random team in an 8-box break. That is one of the less expensive promo breaks you can get into to have a chance to win a Austin Matthews signed jersey. So check it out. We also have Premier. Pick your random teams, I mean. Put up a random team break of Premier. Still have Black Diamond, still have Cup Hockey. So we're coming to the end of this promo. So we're almost going to be in single digits in the promo. Alright, last pack of O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey. Alrighty, Karen. Good luck. Corey Crawford. You got a Matt Murray rookie. Gustav Nyquist, Rainbow. Nice, Connor McDavid, rookie Rainbow. It's not when you buy a spot, Jason. It's you have to win a promo spot. If you buy into a promo break, at the end of the break, I will randomize a list of names in the break, and only one person will get a promotional spot, and there will be 25. And then at the end, when the promo is filled and we filled up 25 promo spots, we're going to randomize a list of 25 names, and the person that comes out top will win the prizes. Noah Hannafin rookie. So for you to have a chance to win a promo spot, you have to buy into the promotional breaks. Tracks, Oliver Ekman-Larsson. Andrew Ladd. Nassim Kadri. Pecorine Rainbow. Andres Anthony, rookie. And you have a Nikolai Golubin, nice. Rookie Rainbow autograph. He's a pretty damn good player. But you got yourself a nice Connor McDavid rookie Rainbow, Karen. That his base rookie card of this sells for like $10 to $15. Rainbow might be a little bit more, so that's not bad at all. You get yourself a Rainbow rookie autograph. Nice. And wow, look at this. You got a printing plate. Look at that. 1/1 printing plate, Nikita Kucherov. Nice. I picked a good box. And you get yourself a horn, Karen. Nikita Kucherov, printing plate, 1 of 1. Still have a little bit more to go as well. As you can see, we have a Keith Yandel Seismic Gold. These Seismic Gold guys are so beautiful. Look at the way they look. In person, they're even more beautiful. 22 of 50. Let's finish off the stack. Wow, look at that. 2 Connor McDavids in the box. You got a rainbow rookie and a base rookie, which is at least $10. So, nice. It's been a great box. And Jared McCann, red prism, 137 of 149. Put that in a penny top loader right now. UC Saros rookie. And there you go, Karen. That was your personal box of O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey. Nice. 2 Connor McDavid rookies, 1 base, 1 rainbow. Keith Yandel Seismic Gold, 101 printing plate Nikita Kucherov. And a Nikolai Golovin rookie rainbow autograph. And a Jared McCann red prism. Well, there you go. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.